Hey guys, right here from Condé Systems, and today I'm going to show you how to sublimate our stainless steel huggers. So they come in a few different sizes. We have the regular ones for 12-ounce cans, we have the taller ones for skinny cans, and then we also have a TUMHUG, which is a tumbler hugger combo that actually comes with two lids. It comes with a lid for coffee, and it also comes with a gasket that's going to hold not only your bottles and cans, but also your skinny cans. So let me show you how to do it. These beverage insulators can be done two ways. The first way that I'm going to show you is in the oven. In order to do them in the oven, you're going to need your heat gun, your subless shrink, your transfer already cut out, an internal thermometer for your oven, some scissors, a pair of heat gloves, and some heat tape. So the first thing we're going to do is line up our top image to our TUMHUG. You do want the seams to overlap because the metal will shrink and contract while in the heat. So I'm going to place one piece of tape horizontally, and then I'm going to place a piece of tape that goes all the way up and down the seam. And one more piece at the top just to kind of anchor it down. And then next I'm going to do my bottom piece. Try to line my seams up as best as I can. And do the same thing. One piece of tape vertically, and then another piece that goes all the way up and down the seam. Next, we're going to put it in our subless shrink. And apply some heat. So once the subless shrink is nice and tight, it goes into the oven. So once your mug is done, you want to take it out of the oven immediately and immediately remove the subless shrink and the transfer. So that looks great. So for this method, I'm going to show you how to sublimate these huggers in a mug press. So for this method, we're going to need your DK3 mug press. You'll need some protective paper, your transfer, which is already cut out, your tumbler or hugger, some heat tape, scissors, and heat gloves. Then we're going to align and tape our transfer. We're going to do this just like we did the TUMHUG. One piece horizontally to make sure it's tight, and then one piece vertically all the way up and down the seam. So I've got my mug press heated. I'm going to place a piece of protective paper around my tumbler just to make sure that I don't get any kind of residual dye on my heat press. I want to do my first press with my tape out, and then we press it. After your timer goes off, you want to rotate your mug fully and then press again. Now it's time to take it out and take our transfer off. And there we go. These stainless steel beverage huggers are going to be so hot this summer. We've got them for your tall cans, for your regular 20-ounce cans, for your 20-ounce bottles, your 20-ounce cans, and they also keep your drinks hot or cold. So be sure to contact your Condé account representative today to find out more about our stainless steel beverage insulators. This is Sprite from Condé Systems. Happy sublimating.